Well, hello friends, and welcome to the 12 Days of Crafting Advent. I'm your friendly Canadian Stampin' Up! Demonstrator Susanne here, and today is day 7. Of course, I'll be featuring the Crafting Advent calendar today, and we're opening number 7 here, and I know what's inside. Do you? All right, I'll share it with you. It's some dies. These almost look like stamp dies. I don't know, like postage stamp dies. They're cut interestingly. So we're going to use that today, and I have the perfect card design for it. So this piece of cardstock is, I think it is about 2.5 inches squared, and I am cutting the die with my little cut and emboss machine. If you are crafting on a budget, the mini cut and emboss machine is really affordable. I have both. I have the big one and the little one, but this one, first of all, his name is Johnny B, and he is very tiny, sits right on my desk, or just off the side of my desk. I use him all the time. Anyway, this piece of basic white is, hang on, I'll measure it. I didn't measure it before I went and did this voiceover. So it's 2 1/8 square. All right, so I've inked up with mossy meadow, good God forbid, misty moonlight, and I used Daffodil Delight. Hang on. Why am I always forgetting the ink names? Crush Curry for the butterfly, and also Secret Sea for the butterfly's body. I'm putting everything together, adhering it down, and we're going to use more of the designer series paper that came with this advent calendar. I think it was on day 2. So what I have cut 8 squares that are 1 1/4 square. So, and this is how I'm sort of putting them together. Kind of. I rearrange a little bit. So 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom, and 4 along the side. And then and this is me figuring it out spatially. Sometimes I'm not so good. So what I did was I have my Tombow glue in the online store, and in our catalog, this is called a multi-purpose glue. I just did little squares of glue around these papers. Then I got my fingers all icky by picking them up like that. I shouldn't have. But the trick is to give yourself like 1/16 of an inch, like this is like a millimeter almost. And I did my corners first. And then I was able to fit the middle pieces in. And if I had to wiggle things around, this is the reason why you want wet glue, because you have that wiggle room, as so many demonstrators have said before, that you can sort of zhuzh things into place and create equal borders around everything. So again, these are 8 squares of the designer series paper. They are 1 1/4 inches square. And then I will put that on my card base, and that is Misty Moonlight card base. And I actually did put, I've been trying to put paper, just copy paper or whatever kind of paper I have left over, printer paper, if you will, on the inside of these cards, just so that you can write the, the sentiment to the person, or the message to the person. And it's a nice habit to get into, let's just say. I might not stamp on it, but that's asking too much, honestly. It's not, but anyway, here we are. Check me out. This is card number 7. So that's it. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I would love for you to leave me some lovely comments below. So I will see you tomorrow, and bye for now.